Tech.
What's up guys, J Smith Tech, and I'm back with a video. We got the Galaxy S10 Plus. Excited about that. And Samsung threw in some buds. Excited about that. Got a couple days early, even though hopefully I'm gonna try to get this out by launch day. But we'll open it up and I'll give some impressions on how it's been going so far. Let's open those up. Now, what's in here? Okay, it looks like we have the different buds for the different ears. It looks like this is a USB-C charging cable. That's great. Put that to the side. This is what we really want. Open that up. The case itself feels really premium. It looks like it has a baby blue on the inside of it. Looks like it's charged by USB-C. LED light. It says that it's charged. Now as for the buds themselves, they feel good. Now these are going to live and die by how good the sound quality is. As for the phone itself, feels nice in the hands. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels pretty light. Now as far as the accessories are concerned, that's ready to go. Have a charging brick. AKG headphones. I appreciate the versatility. Having wireless and headphones. USB-C charging cable. And a USB connector. Two side by side. Now as far as the screen is concerned, man, this thing goes, the bezel goes all the way to the edge. Considerably longer. Whereas the S8 Plus, the screen curve has more of a curve to it than this one. There's a curve to this one also. But man. Now, the S8 10 Plus, it feels heavier than the S8 Plus for sure. Of course, this one cuts off because you have your, where you place your ear, and then also you have a iris sensor and a camera. And on here, you have a cutout that has those. And it doesn't feel awkward either, having that cutout there. I thought it would feel more awkward just having a random cutout in the screen, but it does not. Flip over on the back. Now, let's throw in, for really comparison's sake, let's throw in an iPhone XS Max into the equation. Now, the XS Max is a bigger phone because it is wider. Let's compare them side by side. So the XS Max is a thicker one. It's also heavier. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Like I said, I know it's been a while. I will try not to take so long to make these videos next time. But I appreciate you guys watching it. Until the next time, I'm out.